Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Many iPhone users are reporting that why is my iPhone screen black and won't turn on. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Force to restart iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Solution 2. Charge your iPhone. Ensure your iPhone is charged. Try charging it for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes. Solution 3. Inspect the charging cable and port. Clean your charging port with brush or cotton or soft tissue. And try to charge the iPhone. If it doesn't work, try using a different charging cable. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.